Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coping sleds for router tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Woodpeckers Precison Woodworking Tools Router Table Coping Sled. For woodworkers seeking professional-grade precision in rail and style doors, this Woodpeckers Coping Sled delivers exceptional control and stability. You'll appreciate its ability to trap boards up to 5'1" 2" wide between the adjustable top plate and fence, while 2 clamps prevent lifting during operation. Built from aluminum and weighing 7.7 pounds, this well-designed sled includes a clear guide that tracks along your router table fence. You'll find assembly straightforward thanks to detailed instructions, and users consistently praise its innovative clamping system and sturdy construction. While some suggest adding toggle clamps, the sled's current design guarantees precise, repeatable cuts for doors, tenons, and lap joints. Moving on at number 4, we have the OSKOOL Rail Coping Sled Router Table Jig. Cabinet makers and woodworking enthusiasts will appreciate the OSKOOL Rail Coping Sled Router Table Jig's versatility in creating precise door joints, chamfers, and profiles. The jig's phenolic base offers superior durability over MDF, while its toggle mechanism guarantees consistent cuts. You'll find the acrylic edge guide improves visibility when aligning workpieces, and the 3-position offset enhances control. The sacrificial fence and retaining bracket prevent workpiece movement and tear out. At 15.59x 8.15x 2.13 inches, it handles stock up to 5'1/2x1 to 5/8. While the hold-down clamp requires manual adjustment, users praise its thoughtful design, quality components, and excellent value compared to premium alternatives. At number 3, we have the Fulton PRO Rail Guide Coping Sled for Router Table. Woodworkers seeking precise, square cuts for door and drawer fronts will appreciate the Fulton PRO Rail Guide Coping Sled. This router table accessory holds your stock at a perfect 90-degree angle while keeping your hands safely away from the cutting area. You'll find the clear acrylic reference fence particularly useful, as it maintains parallel alignment with your router table fence while allowing excellent visibility. The sacrificial block prevents end grain blowout, ensuring clean cuts on your panels. With ergonomic rubber grip handles and a heavy-duty hold-down toggle, you'll maintain maximum control over workpieces up to 5 wide and 1 thick. At number 2, we have the POWERTEC Rail Coping Sled for Router Tables. The POWERTEC Rail Coping Sled 71765 stands out with 3 essential safety features that make it ideal for both novice and experienced woodworkers. You'll find a sacrificial block to prevent end grain blowout, a clear acrylic guide for visibility, and a heavy-duty toggle clamp with rubber padding to secure your workpiece. You can handle pieces up to 5 wide and 1 thick while maintaining precision in your rail coping cuts. The dual-handle design gives you superior control, while the clear fence, positioned 2 above the table, guarantees parallel alignment and prevents sled damage. It's compatible with most router table fences, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rockler Rail Coping Sled for Router Table. Crafting precise cope and stick joints for doors and drawer fronts becomes considerably safer with Rockler's Rail Coping Sled. You'll appreciate its taller round handles and smooth sliding phenolic base that accommodates workpieces up to 5 wide and 1'1/4 high. The sled's toggle clamp securely holds your stock against the router fence, while the rail guide prevents dangerous dips. You'll find the included sacrificial block prevents end grain blowout, and the anti-slip abrasive strip keeps your workpiece from wandering. With a 4.6-star rating from customers, this well-built sled delivers clean, square cuts while keeping your hands safely away from the cutting area. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.